Pixie is a great software program that inspires student creativity and enhances literacy through the creation of original artwork, stories, and collaborative projects. Hello, my name is Vicki Fitzgerald, and in Computer Lab, my kindergarten students were introduced to Pixie by creating a simple picture of shapes and color words, and then allowed to experiment with the tools and create a picture of their own. As they grow older, they learn more about the capabilities of Pixie, including sharing pictures as slideshows, movies in HTML, creating podcasts, and integrating voice narration. So our task at hand was to create a picture that incorporated different shapes, a series of 3 different colors, and then adding the color words at the end. Here's an example of one that we made in our class. This is how we did it. We're going to go to File and select New, and that will give us a blank canvas. The tools that we will be using are Text, Options, and the Paint Palette and the Library. Opening up the Paint Palette, the student has the option of using the paintbrush, the marker, the crayon, the dry brush, the 3D brush, filling in an area, the paint can, the shapes tool, and the eraser. On this slide rule here, the child can select whether they want the point to be smaller or bigger in terms of their line thickness. Their color palette is down here below, and they can adjust the contrast to less, lighter, or darker. So the first thing that we're going to do is use the paint can to select some stars and spray them across the page. The color palette we're going to be using are the primary colors, blue, yellow, and red. But like I said, the children were allowed to select whatever colors they wanted. And the spray can just sprays streams of stars, however the child would like to use them. We can go down here to select shapes, and maybe we'll put a series of red triangles across there, and maybe a couple of single ones here and there, and some blue ones at the bottom. If we would like them smaller, then we'll just move this down, and that makes tiny ones. Then we'll use yellow to insert, using the Shapes tool to create a circle, a triangle, and a square. If we go to the library, we select stickers, and from there they can choose their color words and put in blue, red, and yellow. When they're all finished, they can go to Options, and the most important thing on any piece of work the child does is to add their name. When the child is finished, has their name on it, they can print it out, they can save it, or their favorite thing is to just start over so they can create a new project of their own without any limitations. They can also use the Text tool to perhaps add a title. We'll call it Colors and Shapes. Move the title down to the corner. and then we're done. To create a new canvas, they can just click Start Over, and then they can begin a new artwork. Pixie offers a 30-day free trial for you to peruse, and if you would be interested in using it in your classroom, you can go to www.techforlearning.com/pixie. Thank you.